Today we made frozen bubbles. Look at that. It's so pretty
What
and
happens
frozen.
when you touch them?
Is it frozen yet? Here, try to see if it's frozen yet. Give it a poke. Oh, weird. Here, do it. Do it really slow. Frozen bubbles. Wow. All right, I'm gonna blow one. Ready? Oh, that one popped. Okay. There it is. Right now it's still just a regular bubble. It's really cold out right now. It's like, oh my gosh, what just happened?
What happened?
Look, it's like shattered.
Oh my goodness.
All right, see that clear bubble? Let's see if we can watch it freeze. Do you notice any changes? Right now it's super clear, easy to see. You notice any changes yet?
I think I see some steam.
Oh wow, yeah, look on the outside there. It looks like steam. It's actually frost. See those little feathers growing? Do you see it? Whoa! There's tiny little frost feathers growing outside of it. Look, it's getting... It's so pretty. Aria, look! It's freezing! Whoa.
Touch it really right.
Yeah, it's not quite frozen yet, but you see what happens. You're the scientist. Go ahead. See what happens. Whoa, look at it. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, that's so bizarre. What's it feel like?
It feels like I'm holding like plastic.
Wow.
It feels like I'm holding Jello.
Jello. Okay, we're starting to get cold. Well, Aria is, so we'll come back and play with this later. But really quick, for the recipe, 1 cup water, warm water. You got 1 warm cup of warm water so your ingredients can super saturate into the solution, which means they all mix up really well. Bye, Aria! And they're in there. So add your 1 cup of warm, and then you're gonna add 2.5 tablespoons of corn syrup. And you mix it in, make sure it's all mixed, and then you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it in, make sure it's mixed, and 2.5 tablespoons of dish soap, and then gently mix that in. Once all the ingredients are super saturated, which means you can't even see them anymore in the warm water, they're just kind of, it's okay if the water turns the color of the dish soap. Put it in a cold place like your freezer or the outdoors if it's super cold for a half hour. Come out, get a straw, have some fun. Ta-da! Thanks for watching.